Your professor may upload Microsoft Office Word file, Microsoft Office PowerPoint file, or Microsoft Office Excel files in the course. Meanwhile, for class assignments, you may use Word file to write your paper, make presentations using PowerPoint, or work on a project using Excel. To view these files in its original format and work on these files, you will need to install Microsoft Office application to your computer. Open up a web browser such as Google Chrome. Type portal.office.com. Enter your NetID and password and click on Sign In. Pull down the arrow next to Install Office. Select the first option to download the Microsoft Office application. After the Office setup file is completed downloading, you will click on Open File and follow the steps to install the Microsoft Office to your computer.